Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're taking a look at RezClick, a booking management software designed specifically for tour and activity operators. Located at www.rezclick.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline your booking process, manage your resources, and ultimately grow your business. From online booking and scheduling to point-of-sale functionality and reporting, RezClick aims to be a one-stop solution for all your operational needs. One of the key features of RezClick is its user-friendly online booking system, allowing customers to easily book tours and activities directly from your website. This system is designed to be mobile-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for customers booking on any device. Furthermore, RezClick offers integrated payment processing, making transactions smooth and secure. Beyond simple bookings, the platform also facilitates complex scheduling scenarios, managing availability, resources, and staff assignments with ease. RezClick also provides valuable tools for managing your resources, whether it's equipment, vehicles, or guides. This ensures optimal utilization of your assets and helps prevent overbooking or scheduling conflicts. The platform's real-time reporting features provide valuable insights into your business performance, enabling you to track key metrics like bookings, revenue, and customer demographics. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and identify areas for growth and improvement. RezClick's point-of-sale (POS) system further enhances its functionality, offering a streamlined solution for on-site transactions and inventory management. Whether you're selling merchandise, additional tours, or other products, the POS system simplifies the process and ensures accurate record keeping. The system also integrates with various hardware components, like barcode scanners and receipt printers, further optimizing your workflow. By centralizing your booking, resource management, and sales processes, RezClick helps businesses save time, reduce administrative overhead, and focus on delivering exceptional experiences to their customers. For those operating in the tour and activity sector, RezClick presents a compelling option worth exploring. Check it out at www.rezclick.com.